My name is Amber Fox. Today I'm going to be discussing or providing an overview of the integumentary system. Here we have the skin. The skin is the first line of defense for the body. It also produces protection, and it is the largest organ of the body. The skin is composed of multiple layers of cells and tissue that hold to underlying structures of the body by connective tissue. There are three layers of the skin. The first layer here is the epidermis, and the epidermis is composed of, or it actually has 4 layers. Those layers are what are known or called thin tissue or thin skin, and they have no blood vessels. The cells in this layer are called keratinocytes because they make and store a protein that is called keratin. And keratin is what strengthens our hair and our nails. The functions of the epidermis are to stimulate sensory nerves, as well as to produce a pigment called melanin, and melanin is what gives color to our skin as well as our hair. Also, it is to protect or provides protection against bacteria or the outside environment. The second layer here is known as the dermis, and the dermis is composed of blood vessels, which we can see here, lymph vessels, nerves, sweat glands, and hair follicles, and there is a hair follicle here. The dermis is composed of 2 layers of connective tissue. The function of the dermis is to provide structure, hydration, as well as elasticity for movement. The third layer here is known as the hypodermis, or also known as the subcutaneous layer. This layer here, it connects to bones and muscles. It is highly vascularized, as you can see there, but this is only a picture. And the functions of this layer is to store fat and to provide insulation and cushioning. The appendages, some of the appendages of the skin are the hair, nails, sweat glands, and sebaceous glands. And some of those functions are to protect against dust particles entering the body through the nose or through the eyes, as well as maintaining homeostasis and providing also to lubricate and waterproof the skin and the hair. One of the diseases of the skin is the most fatal disease, and that would be skin cancer. In particular, that would be melanoma. Melanoma is composed or characterized by melanocytes that are produced in the epidermis. Melanoma, as I said, is the most fatal. It is often seen as a mole, but not a perfectly round mole. It has asymmetrical, uneven borders and appears like a brown or black patch with a raised surface. Melanoma is highly metastatic, which means it spreads to organs, and it's most of the time it's difficult to detect because it has already spread to other organs. Thank you.